Hi guys, welcome to my 8th tutorial on XHTML and CSS. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to change the width of our table. Okay, so in the last video, we did a simple table, and let's change his width. And we also learning what cell padding and cell spacing are. Okay, so open page1.html with Notepad++, and let's this. Okay, and here it is. Here is our table. Okay, save this. Let's see our table. Oh, sorry. Let's run here in Chrome to see the table how it is. Okay, this is our table. Okay. So I want to change his width. So how do I do that? I go next to border. After border, we give it a space and write the word width. Okay, and then equals to a number that we're going to give. Let's give it a number 300. So this means 300 pixels. Okay, so we want the width of our board to be 300 pixels. Let's go to the browser and click refresh, and you'll see now. Okay, the border is 300 pixels wide now. Okay, so we can change it to whatever number in pixels we want. Okay. We can also give it a percentage of width relative to our web page. So if we want the table to be 100% wide relative to our web page, it will okay. I didn't save it. Okay. It will be 100% covering our web page, okay, in our browser. So even if we change here the size of the browser, expand it, okay, the percentage of the width will be always the same, or the width of the table will be always the same, okay, as you can see here. So you can use either pixels or the percentage. Now let's erase this width, okay, and leave it as it was before, the table, and let's see what cell padding is. Let's write cell padding equals and give it a 20 pixel number. Okay, save this, go to the web page, the browser, and refresh. Okay, so these are the cells. Okay, we call it cells as in Excel. You know, in Excel, if you guys use Excel, we call cells to the boxes, okay, in which we can write some content. So in fact, these are the TDs, okay, the table data tag, okay, the TDs tag, and inside them, let's see in the code, inside of them here, TDs, TD tag, inside we wrote this content, okay. So the TDs are in fact cells. So we have increased with cell padding. We have increased the size of the cell. Okay. So we given a padding. We have given a padding to the. Sorry. Let's see the code. We have given a padding, a 20 pixel padding, to all the cells. Okay. So the cells will increase 20 pixels wide, okay, and all the same, okay. They have increased 20 pixels all at the same time. They all increase 20 pixels. So we can increase always to the number we want here, okay, to all the cells, so we can control the cell size. So now we're going to use cell spacing, and let's give it a number of cell spacing 20 pixels. So cell spacing 20 pixels, save it, open the browser, click refresh, and okay, something is different. And the difference between cell padding and cell spacing is that cell padding will change the size of the cell itself, and the cell spacing changes the space or increases the space between each cell. Okay, as you can see, there's a nice little space between each cell, but the cells themselves are they all have the same size, or the original size they first had. So if we let's increase this to 50 pixels. Cell spacing, as the word says, cell and space. So spacing each cell, this increase the space between each cell. Let's refresh. I think I saved it. No, save now. Refresh, and okay, it increases the space between each cell. Okay, guys. I hope I made it clear for you. But if you didn't understand something or have any questions, please send me a message or post your questions in the comment section below. Okay, guys? See you guys later, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye, guys.